Here is a very easy tutorial on how to draw a bird from number 2. Let's get started. All you're gonna do is draw an inverted 2 on the other side. Now you have to draw 2 U's for the tail of the bird. For drawing the head of the bird, we need to draw a semicircle. And for the beak, we just need to draw 2 V. For the eye, we just need to draw a circle and fill it up. In the next step, you have to draw a lot of W's for showing the feathers of the bird. For finishing our cute little bird drawing, we're gonna just draw a stem on which the bird is sitting right now, and we're gonna draw some leaves to give a detailed touch to it. Here you go, our bird is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to get the notification. Bye bye, see you soon.